In a world where bad weather has gone full zombie mode, your roof is the last thing standing between you and Mother Nature's undead tantrum. A damaged roof is like handing the storm zombies a VIP pass to your attic. You wouldn't invite them in for tea, so why let them crash through your ceiling? Our roofing services are your best shot at weathering the storm zombie apocalypse. Armor-grade materials tougher than your ex's comebacks. Expert installation by professionals who laugh in the face of bad weather. Warranties so strong even tornadoes cry. Free inspections so you can stop guessing and start fixing. Prices that won't cost you an arm and a leg because you'll need those to fight the weather zombies. Only 25 spots left this month for $1,000 off. Don't wait for the next storm zombie invasion. Call us for a free, no-obligation roof inspection. We'll handle everything from insurance claims to installation, stress-free. Survive the weather zombie apocalypse with us. Only 25 spots left this month for $1,000 off. Schedule your free inspection today before the undead weather strikes again.